What is financial freedom? Financial freedom refers to the ability to support your desired lifestyle without being dependent on a traditional job or paycheck. It involves having enough passive income, savings, and investments to cover your living expenses and avoid financial stress. Achieving this level of financial independence allows you to have more control over your time and make choices based on your personal goals and values. Building a financial cushion. A financial cushion, often called an emergency fund, is an essential step toward financial security. It's a savings buffer to protect you in case of unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or job loss. Ideally, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This cushion provides peace of mind and the flexibility to navigate financial challenges without falling into debt or compromising your goals. Why you need a financial cushion? A financial cushion not only protects you in emergencies, but also provides stability in your financial life. Having one ensures you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans when life throws unexpected challenges your way. It's a critical component of achieving financial freedom because it allows you to weather short-term setbacks without derailing your long-term plans for financial independence and wealth accumulation. How to build your cushion. Building your financial cushion starts with setting a clear savings goal and budgeting effectively. Start by evaluating your monthly expenses, then prioritize setting aside a portion of your income for savings. Automate transfers to your emergency fund, so you're consistently adding to it without thinking about it. Cut unnecessary expenses, focus on increasing your income, and remember that every small step brings you closer to financial security. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. Start by analyzing your income, expenses, debts, and savings. List all your sources of income and categorize your monthly expenses, including fixed costs, rent, utilities, and variable costs, food, entertainment. Identify areas where you can reduce unnecessary spending. This gives you a clear picture of your financial health and helps you set realistic goals for building a financial cushion. Step 2. Set a clear savings goal. To build a financial cushion, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Calculate your total monthly expenses, including essentials like rent, utilities, transportation, and groceries. Multiply this amount by 3 to 6 months to determine your goal amount. Set a specific target date to reach this savings goal. This target will motivate you to stay on track and give you a concrete goal to work towards. Step 3. Create a budget. Now that you know how much you need to save, create a monthly budget. Divide your income between necessary expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Prioritize your emergency fund by allocating a fixed percentage of your income to it each month. Consider using budgeting tools or apps to track your expenses and ensure you are staying within your budget. Consistently sticking to your budget is essential for building your financial cushion. Step 4. Automate savings. Set up an automated transfer to your emergency fund, ensuring that a portion of your income is saved every month without needing manual intervention. Automating savings makes it easier to stay on track and builds discipline in your financial habits. Consider having the transfer happen right after payday, so you're paying yourself first before spending on anything else. Automation also eliminates the temptation to skip contributions. Step 5. Reduce expenses and increase income. Look for areas where you can cut costs. Are there subscriptions you no longer need? Can you cook at home more often instead of eating out? At the same time, explore ways to increase your income. This could include taking on a side hustle, freelance work, or finding a better paying job. Every extra dollar you earn or save brings you closer to your financial cushion goal. Focus on cutting unnecessary expenses and increasing your income. 1. Limit utility usage. One effective way to cut costs is by reducing utility usage, such as electricity, water, and gas. Turn off lights when they're not needed, unplug devices that aren't in use, and consider switching to energy-efficient appliances. Additionally, reducing heating or air conditioning when possible can lead to substantial savings on your monthly bills. Even small adjustments, like taking shorter showers or washing clothes in cold water, can add up over time. 2. Use public transportation or carpool. If you currently rely on a car, consider using public transportation, biking, or carpooling with friends or colleagues. Transportation costs, such as gas, insurance, and parking, can take a large chunk of your budget. By reducing the frequency of driving, you can save money on fuel, maintenance, and parking fees. Public transport is often a cheaper, eco-friendly alternative, and sharing rides can further cut costs. 3. Shop second-hand. Instead of buying brand new clothes, furniture, or electronics, consider shopping at second-hand stores, thrift shops, or online marketplaces. Many gently used items are available at a fraction of the cost of new ones and can still be in excellent condition. Shopping second-hand for things like clothes, books, and even electronics is a great way to reduce spending without sacrificing quality. 4. Cancel unused memberships. Review all your subscriptions or memberships, such as gym memberships, streaming services, or magazine subscriptions. If you haven't used them in the past month or longer, consider cancelling them. You can always re-sign up later if you need the service. This small change can lead to significant savings over time, especially when you factor in recurring monthly payments. 5. Buy generic or store brands. Instead of always purchasing name brand products, opt for generic or store brand alternatives. Generic products are often made with the same ingredients or materials as the more expensive name brands, but are sold at a fraction of the price. This applies to everything from grocery items to household cleaning supplies. Over time, switching to generic brands can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. 6. Cut back on alcohol and dining out. Limiting how often you dine out or buy alcohol can greatly reduce your expenses. Going out for dinner or drinks regularly can add up quickly. Instead, try cooking more meals at home or hosting gatherings with friends at home. Reducing alcohol consumption, especially at bars or restaurants, is another way to save. This simple change can save you hundreds of dollars every month. 7. DIY home maintenance and repairs. Instead of hiring professionals for small repairs or maintenance tasks, consider doing them yourself. There are many online tutorials and guides that can help you learn how to fix common household issues like leaky faucets, broken appliances, or simple electrical problems. By investing in some basic tools and learning DIY skills, you can save money on labor costs. 8. Shop for sales and discounts. Rather than buying items at full price, wait for sales, discounts, or promotional offers. Many stores offer significant discounts during holiday sales, end-of-season clearances, or special events. Additionally, signing up for email newsletters or loyalty programs can give you early access to sales or exclusive discounts. By planning purchases around sales, you can save a considerable amount. Step 6. Avoid debt and focus on paying off high-interest debt. Minimize debt by avoiding new loans or credit card debt. If you have existing high-interest debt, prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible. High-interest debt, such as credit cards, can eat away at your income, making it harder to build savings. Consider using strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche methods to reduce your debt. Once your debt is paid off, redirect those funds into building your financial cushion. Step 7. Monitor your progress regularly. Review your financial progress each month. Are you sticking to your budget? Are your savings growing as expected? If not, assess where adjustments need to be made. Monitor your emergency fund and make sure it remains a priority until it reaches the target amount. Regular check-ins help you stay accountable and make adjustments to your plan as life circumstances change, ensuring you stay on the path to financial security. Step 8. Build additional streams of passive income. Once your financial cushion is in place, start focusing on building other forms of passive income. These might include investments like stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting a side business. Diversifying your income sources helps you achieve true financial independence, where your money works for you. Passive income streams allow you to live comfortably and even retire early without relying solely on a traditional job. Step 9. Stay disciplined and patient. Building financial freedom takes time. It's essential to stay disciplined with your savings, continue reducing expenses, and increase your income. Avoid the temptation to dip into your emergency fund for non-emergencies. Be patient with the process, and remember that the sacrifices you make now will lead to long-term financial independence and security. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate small wins along the way. That's all for today. I hope you found these tips helpful in building your financial cushion. Remember, small changes can add up over time, and consistency is key. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave a comment below letting me know which methods you plan to use in your own life. I'd love to hear your thoughts and how you're taking action toward financial freedom.